Hello everybody, Audrey here. It's October. Have you visited a pumpkin patch yet? Today we are making a pumpkin recipe, dim sum style pork spare ribs. It is a steamed dish with pumpkin and pork ribs. I can have many bowls of rice if I'm eating this. Soaking the pork rib in water for 30 minutes to help release the blood in the meat. It is commonly used in steamed dishes to minimize the meat residue. Rinse and drain water before marinating. Sauce used are on the screen. Give the pork rib a massage to absorb the sauce. Let's prepare 250 grams of peeled pumpkin. I am using the small green skin pumpkin. They are available in most supermarkets. You can buy as a whole or buy partial. Cut them into small chunks. Have a plate with a little depth and place the pumpkin inside. On top of that, put the marinated pork rib. I usually marinate it overnight to let the meat absorb the sauce. Trust me, it really makes big difference comparing to marinate 20-30 minutes. I really like to prepare everything beforehand, so on the day of cooking, especially a busy one, I just take them out then put on the stove. All the preparations are done at this point. Cover it with plastic wrap and store in the refrigerator. The next day, take it out, boil a pot of hot water and steam it at a medium-low heat for 2 hours. These 2 hours really do a magic trick. You can have melting pumpkin, the tenderest meat, plus the savory sauce with white rice all at once. I can't wait to have it. This is Audrey. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.